Hi, I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be showing you the Ocoya platform, as well as showing you how to create posts like this in as little as a few minutes. But first, let's show you what Ocoya's got to offer. This is the dashboard. It's what you'll see when you log in with all your different limits and also the features available to you. Let's create some content. So this is what I just showed you a second ago. Here you can create images, text, and generate hashtags. Travis AI is our marketing copy AI generator with various different marketing copy generation options presented. E-commerce is where you can integrate your store and select which product you want to promote today. Analytics gives you an overview of performance. And social channels is where you connect all your profiles. Let's create a post. Under My Content, let's hit Create Content. Choose your format. And here you'll see various different templates to choose from. We have thousands on offer. You can select one, or you can simply search for it. I'm going to choose this one. You can edit the text, of course. You can add stock photos. You can add objects. Let's add this one. Once you've added it, you can move it, change its orientation, shrink it. Let's put it there. You can change the background. You can provide different text styles. You can choose your brand kit with your colors, your font, the size of your font, the logo. Let's add ours. Finally, you can upload your own images. Once you're ready, hit publish. And you'll see your picture here. You can also choose from our database of stock images. We partner with these three. You can also choose GIFs with the help of Giphy. And of course, you can upload your own images. Back to the image we just created. The next step is to generate a caption. Let's provide it with a description and hit generate. In a few moments, you'll be given a few options to choose from. You can generate more or decide on one that's preferable for you. We also have trending hashtags, which analyzes this image and generates trending and relevant hashtags. If you prefer, there are other ways to generate captions, such as inspirational quotes. That's your post ready. Let's post it to our socials. Hit publish. You can post it now to Facebook, or let's try scheduling to Instagram. And that's your post sent out. You'll see them all in your calendar. As you can see here, you can reschedule for a different time. Let's just do that. Great. So that's how to create a post and publish it onto your platforms. Let me just show you Travis AI. So as I mentioned, this is where you can generate engaging, high converting marketing copy with all these different options. Let's try Google Ads copy. Simply put in your product or brand name, a description, hit generate. And after a few moments, the format will be in the desired format for Google Ads with the right character limits. Hit save and you'll see your saved copies here. If it's not covered in copy assist, try God mode. Here you can ask Travis to do absolutely anything. Here it's showing you a Facebook ad for my store, for example. And there's some other options on the right hand side. So that's a quick overview of the Ocoya platform. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.